Simplify by using the distributive property and combining like terms. Negative 2 times the quantity 3x squared plus 4 minus 3 times the quantity x squared plus 2x. Let's take each step here and show our distributive property. We'll take that negative 2 times 3x squared plus a negative 2 times 4. And with the second grouping symbol, I'm going to think of that as plus a negative 3. So let's write this as plus a negative 3 times x squared and plus a negative 3 times 2x. Now multiplying within each term. Negative 2 times 3x squared is a negative 6x squared plus a negative 2 times 4, or a negative 8. The third term, that's plus a negative 3 times x squared, which is a negative, or a minus 3x squared. And lastly, plus a negative 3 times 2x. That gives a plus a negative, or a minus 6x. As a last step, let's not forget to combine our like terms. We have a negative 6x squared and a negative 3 or minus 3x squared, which combine to a minus 9x squared. We have a term that is negative 6x and also a minus 8. The simplified form then is negative 9x squared minus 6x minus 8.